The Sonic RVSA Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, an oscillator window appears at the bottom of the chart. The Sonic RVSA Indicator is a tool which is designed to help with visualizing and displaying volume changes in the market, allowing traders to gain a better understanding of volume fluctuations using colored bars. In the Settings section, under Input, there are options available. In the first part, we can select the Moving Average period, which determines the number of candles used to calculate the average. In the next section, we can set the over-average factor values, which means the volume is multiplied by this factor, and if it exceeds the average, it is considered as above-average volume. In the following section, we can also enable or disable the alert notifications either as sound or as text here. When the changes are at the maximum volume, a sound and text alert will be issued for us. In the next section, we can enable or disable the short name option, which, if enabled, will display the histogram values for us in this section for your convenience, or alternatively, you can keep it disabled. And in the last section, we can set the period for checking the maximum volume, which, using this value, determines the green and red bars of the histogram in this context. Green bars are displayed when the volume within the candles is specifically higher than the volume of the past 20 candles, and that candle is a bullish candle. In that case, we have a green bar. Red bars are displayed when we have the highest volume among the past 20 candles, and that candle is a bearish candle, which is shown in red. Blue bars are for candles that, based on the over-average period factor, are above the average, and at that time blue bars are displayed for us. And finally, we have gray bars, which are candles that do not have any special characteristics for us. This indicator is suitable for strategy systems based on volume, and by using these values, we can perform more specialized analyses based on volume in the market. Well, friends, we have reached the end of the tutorial for this indicator. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.